In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to verify your identity on Moneygram. Whether you're new to the platform or simply need to update your information, verifying your identity is a crucial step to ensure smooth transactions and secure your account. To begin, open the Moneygram app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. Now, keep an eye out for a prompt that might say, verify your profile or upload ID. This is your gateway to starting the verification process. Go ahead and tap on that option. You'll be presented with a few choices for the type of ID you can use. These options typically include a driver's license, state ID passport, or even a residence permit. Select the one that applies to you. The next step involves using your phone's camera. It's important here to ensure you have good lighting and a steady hand. Your camera will open automatically and you'll want to position your ID document within the frame. Start by taking a clear photo of the front side of your ID. Make sure all the details are visible and nothing is obscured. After capturing the front, you'll need to flip your ID over and take a picture of the back side. Again, clarity is key, so make sure the image is sharp and all text is readable. If your phone has an autofocus feature, let it do its job to enhance the image quality. Now that you have your photos, it's time to upload them. Follow the prompts on the app to submit these images for verification. Once you've uploaded the photos, you simply need to wait. Moneygram will take it from here, reviewing the documents you've submitted to confirm your identity, and there you have it. That's how to verify your identity on Moneygram. It's a straightforward process, but taking care to capture clear images and choosing the right ID will help ensure that your verification goes smoothly. Once your identity is confirmed, you can enjoy the full range of services Moneygram offers with peace of mind.